Welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. If you want to know how to get this really pretty, beautiful makeup look under 3.5 minutes per one eye, then please stay tuned and let's get started. And I'm talking about primer, eyeshadows, and mascara in total 3.5 minutes. Let's jump right into this video. Today's Latte makeup look is great on occasions when you're short on time, as I am today, but you need to look more or less good. Okay, I have my BH eyeshadow palette. You can use any bronzers, you can use any warm tone eyeshadow palette. Then as a base, I have a couple of options for you guys. Of course, it's going to be NYX primer, and then I have two options. This is my concealer that you can blend out and create a cream base underneath, and it's going to add a little additional color. Then you can use black base as black pencil. It's going to create even deeper color and deeper shade depending on what you're aiming for, or you can just skip any bases and use only primer and then use these eyeshadows. Today I'm going to be showing you this option with a little bit of brown color. So we're starting with the base, my NYX eye primer. By the way, I've reviewed my Wet n Wild primer. If you're interested, you can check this out. And let's use a tiniest drop of this concealer because it's super pigmented. You need blending brush, preferably something smaller, like a crease brush, and blend out. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It's just a certain base. And I wouldn't set my lid before concealer because it's going to be patchy. Now, I will set my lid with this color. It's soft beige, kind of browny shade. Let's cover my lid and get this on top. I have my Morphe brush. Yeah, my brushes are not clean, but who cares? And choose any deep base. It can be chocolate. It can be this. Let's probably grab this chocolatey shade. And of course, I'm going to cover my lid and pack this on top. Lightly dab. And do not bring this really high to a crease. It's just going to stay right here. For now, you can do a little bit of the outer corner for now. And let's go with the same brush and with the same soft color to smudge this out. Quick and easy. I have still some left over, so I want to make sure that it's well blended and incorporated. You can leave it like this, guys, but if you want to evaluate it even more, let's just grab a finger, choose any shimmers, like absolutely any. Let's go with the coppery shade. Ooh, really, really pretty. And now place it on top. Finally, for the lower lid, I'm using the same dark brown, tapping this off, and blend out with leftovers. By the way, you can add even a little bit of shimmers on top of your brow bone, maybe just some nude color. It's gonna give the better transition to your lid. I want to do my black pencil over a lash line because it's so much quicker and easier. And let's grab maybe this dark color and just smudge this out with a brush. You can do an eyeliner, but for quick and easy makeup look, I guess this is the best option. Then do a curl with mascara. So I'm gonna start the clock and show you how much time it really takes me to do this makeup look because I was explaining. I'm gonna speed this up, probably for you guys. We're not gonna stay here forever. Ready, steady, go. Okay, it's 2:30, and the only thing I'm left with is mascara. And guys, it's 3:28. I'm completely done with a look. Okay, Okay guys, and this is the final result. I love this real quick, real simple makeup look that is going to be done within literally 3.5 minutes per one eye, total 7 minutes, but you are ending up with really pretty, really easy and super quick makeup look. And I told you right at the beginning of the video that you can skip a lot of steps and use a little bit of primer, 2 different eyeshadows, colors, and a little bit of shimmers on top, or you can even skip shimmers and wear it matte. Coat your lashes. I guess it's probably gonna take you maybe 2 minutes in total. Okay, see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye bye.